Hi everybody. Today I have my Ipsy bag for September. Let's see what we got. This just came in the mail today. Alright. First off, outside of the bag I have a Shayna B brush. This looks like a maybe blush or highlighting brush. Feels a little bit firm, but it's soft. Very nice. I think this was my choice item. I believe I chose that. And here's the bag. It's cute. Fabric, corduroy fabric. There's the tag. Now let's see what's inside. It says good vibes. Oh, and it has the descriptions. I'm glad they brought the descriptions back. Alright, it says your 5 glam bag products valued at $50 or more are here to get you in your beauty groove. Open up for a major feel-good moment. Alright. Okay, first thing I see is a mascara from Tarte. It says Big Ego. Even though I chose rarely for a mascara, I got one anyway, but it's not a big deal. And the next thing is from Evio Beauty. It's a skin rejuvenating mask. And you're supposed to apply a thick layer of the mask to your clean skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and rinse it off. It's supposed to give you a seriously dewy glow. Alright, and then next. Oh, a cute little lip crayon. This is from Mayel Beauty. And this is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. And the shade is Berry. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. There's the shade Berry. Put it on my hand. It's like a tint. It's very pretty. I think I'd like to try it on now. Let's see. Take this off. This is just a lip gloss that I put on. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. I don't have a mirror out here, so I have to use the camera. Okay. Looks like a nice little tint. Alright. Oops. And the last thing is from It Cosmetics. And this is CC Plus Cream. It says your skin but better. I have a I bought a full size of the matte CC cream, and I've used it a few times. I like it, especially like in the summer or something when I don't really want a full face, even though it does have coverage, pretty decent coverage actually. This is supposed to be a buildable formula that evens out your complexion, camouflage spots, but always looks natural. And it has vitamins, antioxidants, and SPF 50. It says blend it with your fingers or a sponge. The shade they sent is Deep. So let's see how it looks. There's the tube. looks like the match might be okay. It might be a little bit red for me, but let's see. Yeah, it's a little red, but not bad. I could wear it in the summer when I've gotten some sun. I think it'll be okay then. Okay. It says it's your only step. So for September Ipsy, we got the Shayna B brush that I selected, the Tarte Big Ego mascara, the Evio Beauty mask, the Mayel Beauty lip crayon in the shade Berry, and the It Cosmetics CC Cream, Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream in the shade Deep, and the Pretty Fabric Bag. So that's everything in the September Ipsy. If you get Ipsy, let me know what you got in yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.